Namaste. Welcome to your 10-minute mindfulness meditation for stress relief, present moment awareness, and emotional balance. Mindfulness meditation has so many scientifically proven benefits, from reducing anxiety to lowering blood pressure, improving focus, and it even supports better sleep. The practice of mindfulness does not require perfection. The point is to just be aware of what's happening right now. I'm Anitra with Kaya Jai Yoga and Wellness, and I'm so glad you're here. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your spine be long and your shoulders soft. Let your hands rest easily either in your lap or by your sides. Gently lower your gaze or close your eyes. We'll begin with one deep breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth with a sigh. And let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Now gently scan through your body with awareness. Notice the points of contact where your body meets the ground or your seat. Feel gravity holding you and supporting you. And without judgment and without changing anything, simply bring awareness to the top of your head, your face, your neck, your shoulders, moving your attention down through your arms, your chest, your belly, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. And bring deep awareness to your feet and how they feel in this moment. And now bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye, and just gently be aware of that space. Bringing all your attention to that space between your eyebrows. And now bring awareness to the breath, watching as you inhale and watching as you exhale. And when your mind wanders, which it will, you simply notice that it's wandered. And even if it wanders 100 times, that's okay. You just gently notice it, mind wandering, and bring it back to your breath. Watching as you inhale, watching as you exhale. Just breathing in and breathing out. Awareness of the breath, breathing in and breathing out. breathing in and breathing out. Awareness of the breath, breathing in and breathing out. And now open your awareness to the sounds around you, without judgment, without analysis. Simply notice any sounds. Maybe you hear birds, the hum of your TV or computer. Maybe you hear distant voices. Just bring awareness to whatever you hear. Let the sounds rise and fall, and come and go. Just noticing the sounds. And coming back to the rhythm of your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And bring gentle awareness to your body and the surface beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and rub the palms of your hands together, creating warmth. And once your palms are nice and warm, place them over your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long releasing breath out through the mouth. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and come back. If you enjoyed this meditation, please support with a like. Namaste.